Hi everyone and welcome back to the knit along. Today we're going to knit a new pattern. So here we have 109 stitches at all, and we're going to increase the first stitch as always, knit and purl, then we knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, then we're going to knit 2 together. So we are going through the next 2 stitches and knit these 2 as 1 stitch and then yarn over, and then we will repeat this again. Knit 2 stitches, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 stitches, knit 2 together, yarn over, and you will repeat this until the end of your row. And here at the end you have 1 stitch left before the 3 I-cord stitches, and you just knit this stitch, and then we can take off our I-cord stitches and turn our work. For the back row we will knit the first 3 stitches and then we're going to purl all the other stitches. And the last stitch, don't forget to knit it. Then we can turn our work. In row 3 we increase the first stitch, and then we knit all the stitches. In row 4 we knit the first 3 I-cord stitches, and then we purl all the other stitches, and don't forget to knit the last stitch. Now we're going to knit row 5, and it will be a little bit different than row 1. First we increase the first stitch, then you yarn over and knit 2 stitches together, and then you knit 2 stitches, and then again yarn over, knit 2 stitches together, knit 2 stitches, and then yarn over. And you repeat this until the end of the row. Don't forget to slip the last 3 stitches. And also here we have 1 stitch left before the 3 to skip, and you just knit this one. So you don't have to finish the pattern. If it does not work, you just have to knit these stitches, and then you skip the 3 and turn your work. And for row 6 we knit the first 3 stitches, and then we purl all the other, and don't forget to knit the last stitch. In row 7 we increase the first stitch, and then we knit all the other stitches. At the end of the row, slip the last 3 stitches and turn your work. And in row 8 we knit the first 3 stitches, and purl all the others. Don't forget to knit the last stitch. So, and this is how the pattern looks like. What we're going to do now is we're going to repeat these 8 rows one more time so that you have 16 rows at all, and then we will meet again. So here's our pattern. This is our work so far. Now we're going to knit together some rows to complete this pattern. Actually, it won't be something new, but I'll show you. So we increase, as always, the first stitch, and then we knit 2 stitches, then we knit 2 stitches together and yarn over, knit 2 stitches, knit 2 stitches together and yarn over, knit 2 stitches, knit 2 stitches together and yarn over, and so on until the end of the row. And don't forget to slip the last 3 stitches. On the back row we're going to knit the first 3 stitches and then purl all the others. And don't forget to knit the last stitch. So, and this is our pattern for this part. So you should have 118 stitches at all. And now we're going to finish this pattern with section 10, and it works the same as section 2. So we're going to increase the first stitch, and then we're going to knit all stitches and slip the last 3 for the I-cord selvage. So, and on the back row we knit the first 3 stitches, and then we're going to purl all the others. Don't forget to knit the last stitch. And after this row you should have 119 stitches at all. So I hope you like the idea of doing a knit along for you guys. I hope you have a great day, a great evening, a great week, or maybe weekend, whenever you're watching this video. So yeah, happy knitting, and until next time, bye bye.